Hello, good afternoon, amazing folks. How is it going this afternoon, this Monday afternoon? I hope you're all doing great. I'm back again. So sorry I couldn't make it live on Friday, but yep, I'm back again. Today we're discussing something quite exciting. We have some good news as always. I hope you have your cupcakes ready. We're spilling the legal tea. And let's jump right to it. Well, so welcome everybody. If you're watching this video on YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can tell, this is a new channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and give me a thumbs up if you found the video. If you find the video useful at the end of watching it. Welcome, guys. Welcome. And if you watch this later after it's been recorded, a very special welcome to you. Let's get into it. So today we're going to be discussing the update on Presidential Proclamation 1052, Presidential Proclamation 10052. So the news broke on Thursday. Department of State released this, and so we're going to get into it. If you remember, during the COVID era, former President Trump actually prevented some people from coming into the U.S. According to him, these people were going to take up American jobs, and so he prevented these non-immigrants from coming into the U.S. And there was a ban. Okay, there was a ban on some visa categories, and this ban was set to expire March 31st. And so March 31st, I guess, was Wednesday, if I'm right. Yes, so the ban expired, and so the Department of State suspended routine visa services worldwide, and the suspension was done in March 2020, of course, again, as I said, due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But then a couple months later, in July, they began a phased resumption of routine visa services, meaning they started again issuing out visas little by little, according to how much work that their employees were able to do and carry out during the COVID, when everybody was going through the rough time. So let's get into the proclamation. I'm sorry, that's my office line. I'm trying to, okay, it's been answered now, so forgive me. Okay, so Presidential Proclamation 10052, which temporarily suspended the entry of certain H-1B, H-2B, and J for certain categories within the exchange visitor program and L visas. Okay, I won't get into what all these types of visas are. Maybe some other time I can get into the types of visas if you are if more people are interested in that, we can discuss that. Oh my goodness, I just took the screen away. Let me bring it right back, and then let's get to the scoop of the news. I have a really bad cold. Okay, so visa applicants who have not yet been into, so the L visa people, the L non-immigrants, they also had the ban expire. As I said, they were banned from entering into the US. The ban expired on March 31st, 2021. And oh my goodness. Okay, so visa applicants, this is actually quite interesting. I was wondering why they did this. Listen to this. Visa applicants who have not been interviewed or scheduled for an interview will have their applications prioritized and processed in accordance with existing phased resumption of visa services guidance. As I said, the phased resumption just means that they are issuing out visas as and how and as and when they are able to, looking at the workforce and people dealing with the COVID and the COVID protocols, how much burden they were able to bear at a time. So visa applicants who were previously, I actually did a video on this, the phased resumption of visa services, must have been last month. Go through my videos and you'll find it. I discussed extensively what the phased resumption of visa services means. And here is the kicker. Visa applicants who were previously refused visas due to the restrictions on presidential proclamation. Let me scroll up. They may reapply. Again, I'm not sure what's happening to my computer. It probably had a bad weekend. It's just refusing to cooperate and share my screen. Okay, so I'm sorry, excuse me. So the people who refused due to the entry ban, what they need to do now is they need to reapply by submitting a new application, including a new fee. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is good news, but at the same time, I feel like something should have been done for them. So last year, some of these people had, the H-1B L visas, they had applied to the various embassies wherever they are around the world. And then they applied, and President Trump came up with the presidential proclamation 10052, which says, look, I'm banning everybody from entering the US. I'm banning you guys, some non-immigrants, people from entering the US. Unfortunately, for some of these people, they had already been scheduled for the interview. And, they appeared for the interview at the consulates, the US consulates around the world, US embassies located in the countries. And when they went, they were refused visas because of the restriction due to the entry ban. Well, although the good news is that now there's no longer a ban in place, the ban has expired. Unfortunately, they have to submit a new application and include a new fee. Oh my goodness. In this COVID era. I mean, they probably should have been pardoned, but well, I guess everybody is dealing with this the financial effects of the COVID. So I'm very unfortunate that they have to, dish out visa application fees again when it definitely wasn't their fault. But that's what is coming from the Department of State. Okay, so we won't go through everything, just the important part of this. Oh no, not again. My screen just gave up on me again. Hold on, guys. You guys are so patient and so sweet. Thank you for sticking with me. Okay, I got it right back. Okay, so the resumption of routine visa services prioritized after services to the U.S. citizens is occurring on a post-by-post basis, consistent with the department's guidance for safely returning our workforce to department facilities. Okay, so again, they're talking about the phase resumption. They are going to do it in a way that the employees are safe and comfortable, and also the general public is also comfortable and safe from COVID issues. Like, they just want to make sure they're complying with all the protocols that are required. So U.S. embassies and consulates have continued to provide emergency, yes, and mission critical visa services since March 2020. So and will continue to do so as they are able. So even though there was the entry ban, they were still providing emergency visas and mission critical visa services. So, for people who had to come to the US, you had to show them that, look, you had an emergency. So those are some of the cases that they were taking care of. Okay. And then let me now scroll up. This document is actually very, very short. Okay, yeah, that's the end of it. So let's just dig into the final bit. Again, my screen gave up on me. I'm not sure what's happening, people. I'm sorry, my phones are blowing up. I have a meeting shortly, so I have to hurry up and then go prepare for it. But I just wanted to pass by to share this good news with you guys, so that if you're part of these people, you make sure you consult with the attorney and see how to do a good reapplication and resubmission. This is your final chance to do a good application. So as post-specific conditions improve, our missions will begin providing additional services, okay, culminating eventually in a complete resumption of routine visa services. Applicants should check the website of their nearest U.S. embassy or consulate for updates on the services that post is currently offering. Yes, exactly. So this is the end of the thing. So just know that So they're going to look at specific country conditions. You know that sometimes you say, oh, there's a breakout in South Africa, there's a new strain in Sudan, there's a crazy strain in Korea, or another outbreak, COVID outbreak in China or whatever. So the US embassies in all the countries, they're going to be looking at post-specific conditions, and then they'll provide additional services. If they find that, oh, Ghana, the US embassy in Ghana, like Ghana COVID conditions are great, people are social distancing, there are no new strains, things are fine, then they'll add more services. But if they find that in a country there's a crazy outbreak, they'll minimize it. So it depends on the country the consulate is in and all of that. They'll resume gradually, and then finally do a complete resumption of routine visa services. So guys, this was just a quick one. Just make sure that if you have any type of US immigration law problem, you call me. My number is right there down below, 1802, so 802-7800-564, and you can get in touch with me, schedule a booked consultation. My calendar is quite packed, and so I'm not able to answer quick questions. I get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of inquiries from my social media pages, from my LinkedIn, my Instagram, my Facebook business page, my Facebook personal page, my Twitter, my Telegram, my WhatsApp. So I'm not able to, if I say I'm going to respond to quick questions about everybody's issue without them first signing, booking a consultation with me, I won't be able to have time to do my legal work that my clients have paid me to do. So unfortunately, I don't give free legal advice outside of these very educative and useful videos that I share. This is my way of giving back to my community. And so if you need a special one-on-one time with me, it's a paid legal consultation, but I guarantee you're going to leave with a solution to your legal problem. It's well worth every penny that you'll spend. So go ahead, give my office a call, 802-7800-564, and I'll help you with any type of problem that you have. If you want an overview of your visa overstay, you need help, attending an interview, just give me a call and we can talk about all of that, and we can begin your process right there and then. All right, guys, I wish you all a great rest of the day. I'll come your way again sometime soon. Be safe and be good. All right, then. Bye-bye.